Hey guys, Pangolian Fizz here, and I am going to teach you how to do this. Okay, so what you basically want to do is just take your hands and so take your hands and put them like, oh god, let me get something. Hang on. Lean this camera up again. A glue bottle. Okay, so what you want to do is take your hands and kind of cup them together like that. Make sure there are no little holes, and just kind of adjust it when it's so it's comfortable. And I'm hitting the phone with my foot. So just kind of adjust it till it's comfortable, and then close it off and leave it so that your knuckles are together. So you basically want to have them like this. Balance this on my, fine. So you want to have your knuckles like that. It's hard to show it because I can't get the camera to do that. But so then what you want to do is just take your knuckles like that and kind of put your mouth on your knuckles a little bit. Like put your lips on your knuckles and then just blow. It might help to the side or something. But yeah, that's how you do that. And I'm just going to be doing it for about 10 more seconds.